How to fix Epic Games launcher setup wizard ended prematurely. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to Click Command. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Epic Games launcher setup wizard ended prematurely. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you'll need to take is open up a folder called this PC. So open it up and head over to your local disk. After you're on your local disk, you'll need to head over to your program files. So locate your program files. This is the folder, and then open it up. After you open it up, right here you will need to search for your Epic Games folder. Select it and delete it. So simply delete this folder entirely, and after you delete this, you can then head back and do the same on your program files 86 folder as well. So head over here and delete your Epic Games folder. After you delete the folder right here as well, you can then head over and open up your Epic Games launcher and your problem should get fixed. And that's how you fix your Epic Games launcher setup wizard ended prematurely problem. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.